Some of my contentions with this kit is number one, I was missing a bunch of screws. They send you this screw pack, but with all the hardware, but it was missing. Then there's no bumper for the glass. Somebody came along and I put silicone there and never got a chance to harden. Somebody opened the door. I was going to make one out of just silicone caulk. Then they want you to put 1x4s in the back of these bump outs. There's like a recess, and they tell you put a 1x4, which is actually more like a 1 inch. You need it's a 1x3 really, and otherwise you'll have nothing to fasten the door frame. So that's kind of annoying. And then they want you to put a screw up in there, in that hole, which is impossible, even with a 8-inch extension. Forget that, you don't need it anyway. And they tell you don't caulk it till everything's in. Do the caulking at the end. Well, guess what? Once everything's in, how do you expect to get behind the glass? You got the glass in front of the sill. So I caulked the glass, basically, is what I did. Oh, there goes that. Oh, bang it again. Alright, here's my very unofficial review of the American Standard Ovation curved shower doors. And, well, curved shower, 48-inch shower. Which I liked because this was a tight space, and I only had about 32 inches to play with. And it looks nice, but the walls are polystyrene. They're just, I don't know if you can tell, they're just very floppy. I mean, if you have sheetrock behind the wall, you'll be okay. You can glue it right to the sheetrock. But, I mean, they're thin. They're not acrylic. The base is fiberglass. I have no complaints about the base. The door instructions are worthless. I mean, there's no sequence of events. It just randomly shows you different things, and then you don't know which one to do first. But apparently the entire frame gets assembled without the doors, of course, and you put the whole thing in there. You have the expanders with 3 screws. You drill those. They say take it out again. You can just drill them right in place. I put caulk behind them actually before I put them back in, because trying to seal that edge is like impossible. Then the fixed glass panel goes in first. That's on the outside, and you can put it either right or left, and it slides into that center guide, and you put these 2 clips. Move this. These 2 chrome plastic clips get inserted on the end and pushed all the way down. Well, this one stays on the outside edge, and then that's solidly in there. And then you assemble this sliding panel with the rollers. Make sure you have the handle on the inside before you put the glass in, because there's no access to the screw later. The other handle goes to the outside. This is how the corner assembles. That's just plastic, this piece. Same on that end. And since there's no adjustment, you gotta hope everything's plumb. This one happens to work. So it looks alright. I guess for the money, it's reasonable. Like I said, it worked out in this particular case because this wasn't even a 5-foot tub originally.